my dear friends. Good morning wishes from Just a Moment Show to all my friends. Today we are dealing with a person's most avoidable negative behavior. That is nothing but selfishness. All people, including me, are selfish to some extent. It's healthy. After that extent, it's really very harmful to us. Selfishness destroys our happiness, peace of mind, and satisfaction. Always think of others also. Try to step into the shoe of others. We can make our day happy by helping at least a single person in our life. Today, we are explaining a short story regarding selfishness. Some of you may have heard about this story. A doctor, a lawyer, a little boy, and an 80-year-old priest were traveling in a private plane. After some time, the engine had some problem. Suddenly, the pilot informed the passengers and told them to escape. There were only 3 parachutes for the passengers. At first, the doctor said that I am saving the lives of so many people, so I want to live. He grabbed a parachute and jumped. The lawyer said that we are the smartest people, so we want to live. He suddenly grabbed one parachute and jumped. The pilot looked at the little boy and said that you are very young, you have a long time to live, so you have to jump. Then the boy smiled at the sad looking priest and gave him a parachute, saying that don't worry, father, the smartest lawyer jumped by grabbing my backpack. Thus, we can imagine the situation of the selfish lawyer. Once a man approached a famous psychologist and complained that I am not at all happy. I couldn't get satisfaction in anything. How can I retrieve my mental health and happiness? The doctor advised him to start his day with a smile. And when he come out of his home, whenever you see a person, animal or a bird in a discomfort position, try to do anything useful to them. This may be in the home itself, during his way to workplace, in his workplace itself, or even in a public place. Do at least a single help to others per day. Then you can retrieve your real happiness. Selfish people think about them only. Their content, their satisfaction, their relaxation, and everything connected with their self only. So they become depressed and couldn't get satisfied with anything that they had. They always complained about that they doesn't have. Actually, what they doesn't have. Real happiness is not ours. When we do something good to a disabled person, the smile in his face is our real happiness. Try to achieve this. You get many chances every day, but we are missing it. But I can promise you that I will do anything favor to at least a single person every day. Selfish people think that their water, earth, sun, etc. are only created for them. They began to disturb others. They love only themselves. They wanted others to like him, think like him, and even act like him. They think their rights should be right for others also. Then they were become disturbed for their dear and near ones. Then they try to react against his activities. Make the selfish people always unhappy. So, dear friends, please avoid selfishness from your mind because it will result in your failure. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow morning.